Hey everybody, so I got a quick video, picked up some items from Walmart. This is going to correlate with some of the other car detailing items I picked up earlier in the 2 videos ago. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I did a video earlier where I picked up some automotive detailing stuff from Walmart. I did go back to Walmart. I was actually went to the Cow Ranch store for a $140 set of wrenches and they didn't even have them, which is irritating because their website said they did. But I grabbed this 30-pack of auto drive microfiber multi-purpose towels. So these are the ones that are like somewhat sticky to your fingers. They're not the like ultra soft, they're just the multi-purpose, where the ultra soft ones are detailing towels. They were $9.97, something like that, for a 30-pack. On Amazon, I will link a pack on Amazon in the description below. You can get a 100-pack of these for $30 exactly. Well, if you spent $30 on these, you would have 90, so you get an additional 10. But it doesn't hurt to have a little extra. Stuff from the other videos right here. These are also auto drive. This is pretty much what these are. They're just a lot larger. These are 14 inches wide by 14 inches long. These are 15 inches wide by 15 inches long. So they're just a little bit smaller. These are the really soft ones. This is an 8-pack. That's a 10-pack. So I basically got 30 or 40 of this version. Just this one's 1 inch larger in both directions. This is what I picked up earlier, which was the aluminum hot rims, aluminum wheel cleaner. The Diablo wheel cleaner from Chemical Guys, as well as the vinyl rubber plastic protectant from Chemical Guys. So I picked up another bottle, and it looks like a lot of the bottles had residue on the outside. That one just had it worse than the rest. And I also did pick up the wheel and tire cleaner that I was talking about, that had like a magenta purplish pink looking bottle that I've been using for years. It says specially formulated for OEM clear coated wheels, powers through brake dust and grime on wheels and tires. I use this for years. It works great. This is no different than Purple Power though. You do have to remove it quite quickly. No more than 30 seconds. Do not let product dry. This will eat clear coat. Do not use on uncoated aluminum, anodized, magnesium, powder coated, aftermarket or motorcycle wheels, and painted or colored brake components. Read vehicle or wheel owner's manual before using this product. I just figured I'd pick it up since I didn't have any anyways. Grab another bottle. This is everything that's been picked up today. I was actually went to Cow Ranch trying to find some double box end ratcheting flex head Tecton wrenches, and they just didn't have any. So I was a little aggravated when their website said they had 8. But I guess it is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. Fix the camera. But I figured I'd show you guys. This stuff works great. I have used this on clear coated aluminum wheels. I just removed it within 15 seconds after using it. Never had an issue with the clear coat coming off or anything like that. Never had an issue with clear coat until I left Purple Power on my rims for 2 minutes or 1 minute, something like that. Wasn't paying attention. I had to go run and do something else because it was important, and I wasn't paying attention, and I forgot, and it stripped the clear coat off. But I'm going to give these blue aluminum ones a try and go from there. I do appreciate you guys sticking around with me. Just a quick update. Please go like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And in this video as well, in the description, if I find all of these things on Amazon, I will link them on Amazon. But you can get most of these readily available at Walmart. Some Walmarts don't carry the chemical guys though, so that's kind of going to be a hit or miss depending on your location. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!